Hey guys, I'm Amor. Welcome to Tech Stop. Apple will release its first 5G iPhone in a few weeks' time. Sometimes last month there was an exposure of a suspected Apple iPhone 12 wireless charging module. This module supports magnetic position. A recent leak shows the internal magnet structure of the iPhone 12 wireless charging module and NFC module. According to the leak, there is a circle of a small magnet on the back of the iPhone 12. The iPhone 12 magnet wireless structure has 36 magnet pieces and the NS magnetic pole are in a arrangement. The wireless charging module geometry is a circular arrangement and the ring part also has an NFC electronic tag module composed of a golden flagship circuit board and a coil. Therefore, the iPhone 12 will support wireless charging and NFC functions. In addition, Apple has applied for patent protection for this magnetic wireless charging solution. In terms of power, Apple wireless charging will likely support up to 15 watt. According to reports, Apple recently acquired 6 seats of 20 watt fast charging solution multiple products such as chargers, mobile power supplies, etc. Therefore, there are speculations that the iPhone 12 series may support 20 watt wired fast charging and 15 watt wireless fast charging. Rumors says that Apple will release 4 iPhone 12s this year. This includes the budget 5.4-inch iPhone 12, 6.1-inch iPhone 12 Plus, 6.1-inch iPhone 12 Pro and 6.8-inch iPhone 12 Pro Max. There are also reports that all 4 models will use OLED display and supports 5G. These will be the first set of 5G smartphones from Apple. The low-end models will use dual rear cameras and 4GB RAM, while the Pro model should be comes with a triple rear camera setup. The Pro models will also comes with 6GB of RAM and 120Hz Pro motion display. There are also reports that the iPhone 12 series may have a 4G version. According to the report, this smartphone has a 5.4-inch and a 6.1-inch LCD model. They both supports the 4G LTE network, a 14 Bionic chip, built-in 4GB RAM and a dual 12MP camera. In terms of price, while the 5.4-inch costs $549, the 6.1-inch will sell for $649. The $549 starting price seems to be a good deal considering that last year's iPhone 11 has a $699 starting price. This means that the iPhone 12 4G is about $150 cheaper than its predecessor. We will have to wait a few more weeks for the official announcement of this device. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe and peace out.